All right, what's up, y'all? Appreciate y'all tuning in. If y'all don't already know, we sell tech for up to 70% off, including iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, basically whatever you need. Our most popular seller right now is probably the iPhone 11, and it makes sense because we got them starting at $300. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna show y'all the process of how everything works when someone places an order on the website. From us testing the phone to cleaning it, to finding the right condition in the back, to getting it shipped out. Basically all you need to know. So yeah, watch this video and let me show you how the process is done. So say someone ordered the iPhone 11, first thing we got to do is go to the warehouse. Right now we're in the office side of the building. Up here we handle customer service, we do a lot of the marketing, and we also have a conference room, looks like it's being used right now. But the thing about the warehouse, we can't take any devices back there, and none of the devices can come to the front just for security reasons. Well, besides the people that make social media content, so I made it through the metal detector. We're now in the warehouse. Back here, we ship out orders, we handle returns. Basically, all you need to do to get the phone to the customer, or if the customer is returning a phone. And right here, you can see all these UPS boxes. These are the packages that are going out today. My guy Shaddy and my guy Steve back here holding it down. I think they're on break right now. Well, Steve is at least. So I'm gonna follow Shaddy into we call it the ready room. So this is the room where everything's already been tested, cleaned, processed for the most part. So all the phones that are ready to be shipped out as customers buy them, they're in this room right here. We got iPhones, we got MacBooks, we got Apple Watches, AirPods, basically all that. Like, look at all these iPhones. We have a ton of, what are these, iPhone SE second gen? We got a ton of those in stock right now. Literally everything. To be honest, we're kind of low on inventory, but we should be getting a lot more inventory just to get ready for the holiday season. Like these MacBooks over here, these are the 2015 MacBooks. They start at $200, like crazy deal. Where else are you getting a MacBook for $200? Got iPads starting at $80, another great deal. More MacBooks. We always have a ton of MacBooks for some reason. More iPads over here. What else we got? MacBooks, iPads. These right here are AirPods. We're getting kind of low on stock. I think we're getting some more soon. But yeah, we got everything you need. So for the purpose of this video, like I said, we're shipping out an iPhone 11. Let me turn that tag just so I can remember where I got this iPhone from. Like I said, you don't want to put it in the wrong place. That means the customer could potentially get the wrong device that they ordered, and nobody wants to have to deal with that. So for this video, let's say the customer got an excellent condition iPhone. So each model iPhone comes in 3 different conditions: excellent, good, and eco-friendly. Excellent basically looks like a brand new phone, has no noticeable scratches. As you can see, this phone, you would think it's brand new if I didn't tell you it was pre-owned, but this is what you can expect if you get an excellent condition iPhone. And like I said, iPhone 11s, they only start at $300. All right, so let's go back to the processing room. So once we get a shipment of phones from our vendor, the first thing we want to do is process them. What's included with the process is testing, cleaning them, and we test for 90 plus key functions. You want to test before you clean them, because you don't want to waste your time cleaning them if they don't even work. And with that being said, everything does come with a 1-year warranty. We got you covered for a full year. So let's go ahead and test this phone. First thing we're testing is the proximity to make sure the proximity sensor works. And then now we're testing the OLED brightness. So that looks good. So you want to hit looks good. Now we're going to test the buttons. So press the volume up and the lock button at the same time, like you're taking a screenshot. That works. Now press the volume button. That works. Want to check the little flip thing. I forgot what it's called. That works. So now the phone's vibrating. If I could feel it, I'm going to say yes, I feel it, because I did feel it. Now we're testing all the cameras on the phone. So it's going to take a photo using every camera, including the 2 cameras on the back and the front camera. So I will hit looks good on all those. So now we're testing the speakers, the microphones, the earpiece, basically everything, all that works. And now we're going to pop all these bubbles. Basically what this is doing is making sure every part of the screen is functional. So we want to pop all these bubbles. If all the bubbles pop, that means the screen's working correctly. So now after we test everything, it takes us to the screen. If it has a check mark, it means everything works. Some of this stuff doesn't have check marks because for this video, I didn't have the time to test everything. So after that, we get to the part where we clean the phone. Once we know everything's fully functional, the next thing we do is clean it. So we get any dirt out of the speakers, we brush the speakers, we brush the cameras, basically everything, you know. The phones are pre-owned, so we want to make sure it's thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. No one wants a dirty phone. For this example, the phone was already cleaned, but we had one of the techs go back and just re-clean it for the purpose of this video. But like I said, we do this for every phone that comes through our facility. And like I said, we got thousands on thousands of phones, but we definitely have a good team. We get it done efficiently and quickly, just so the customer can get their device in a timely manner. And with that saying, we do offer the free 2-day shipping, or you could pay the extra $20 for overnight shipping. So the customer placed the order. They bought an iPhone 11. So this is where we ship it out. We have our custom branded boxes. They do come with a cable and adapter. So, you know, you don't have to go out and buy your own charger. And I just love our branding. Like, you know, the customer will definitely remember us if they get their phone in this kind of packaging. Branding just makes all of the difference, I promise you. But yeah, we use UPS, like I said before, free 2-day shipping, or you can pay the extra $20 for overnight shipping. My guy Shaddy does this shipping on a daily basis. He's one of the best shippers we got. But yeah, he definitely holds it down. Like I said, the branding goes crazy. Put it in the UPS box, and then it'll be shipped out. Free 2-day shipping. And just for the video, I didn't actually put a label on it. Just trying to show you how it goes down. And then what we would do, we would put this box over here with the other ones being shipped out. And UPS comes at the same time every day to pick up our packages. So now you guys know how the process of shipping out a phone that a customer ordered worked. We do this on a daily, probably ship out a few hundred orders a day. Like I said, everything comes with a 1-year warranty. All the devices are fully unlocked. Free 2-day shipping. And yeah, we have great quality phones. Appreciate y'all watching this video. Don't forget, check out our website, plug.tech. Got the best deals on pre-owned tech.